Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can blur only a part of an image on Canva. So what you need to do is click on the image and then go to edit photo over here. Now here on the effects we have blur here. If you click on it, then if you want to blur only selected part of the image, you can use brush. So select brush, make sure that you have add blur, and then you can adjust the size of the brush as well as the intensity of the blur. So let's make it so, and then we can adjust the brush size, let's say 50, and we can start drawing our blur. So I'm gonna press and hold my left mouse button like so, and then after I am done with selecting the area of blur, I can release my left mouse button in order to create a blur. We can of course make it stronger if we want to, and then we can draw a little bit more like so, or even less if we want to, like so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.